Morning, 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 my viewers. Morning, morning. What's going on, my people? What's going on? As you can hear, there's a lot of bird in the background. You know what I mean? It's all about nature. Yeah? Alright, that is the woodpecker.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
That is the woodpecker, but I can't find him. Yeah. Yeah. Well, these birds around me here, I don't disturb them, you know. I leave them to, be around me. Yeah. Up by the house I have a water pond for birds, you know what I mean? Yeah. So it's all about birds. I'll see one here, I can see if I can dry him up. Them so wild, them so wild. Them so wild, my viewers. Fly gone over there, so. Them so wild, my viewers. Yeah. Yeah. Blackbird. Yeah, man, bird them plenty. Yeah. 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 Bird them plenty, my viewers. Yeah, man. It's all about nature, you know? Yeah. It's all about nature, my viewers. Yeah, man. Alright, this is the feeding tree. There is some little cherry. If you notice, there's a lot of birds flying into it. Some little red. Look at these, look at these, look at these, look at these guys. Yeah, 4 of them. That one can't run so good. You see, you notice how he move? Yeah, he can't run so good. He can't run so good, my viewers. Yeah, as I was saying, this is a feeding tree for the birds. Some little red cherry inside here. Don't know the name of them, but some little red cherry inside here. Some little red cherry inside here, my viewers. Yeah, so them love it. So them always inside here. You hear that? Yes, my viewers. There's a lot of birds, and I love to hear the birds, Yeah. So, show you the little pig. The little pig them a drink milk. Yeah. The little pig them a drink milk, my viewers. Them a drink milk. Think of milk and honey them a drink, Yeah, man, and milk and honey them a drink, you know what I mean? Alright, this is the father one. This is the father one. He's so big. Wow! He's so big. My viewers, he's so big. I don't want to go near him, you know what I mean? He's so big. You can see all these holes here. Yeah? And then make them hole there, Yeah, man. This is one of my okra farm. Yeah, it was one of my old okra farm, you know what I mean? Yeah. This one here is kicking the milk sweet. Yeah, the milk sweet, That one is kicking. Look how big them is and them still drinking. Still drinking milk, alright? You hear the woodpecker? You hear the woodpecker, the lick board? Yeah, carpenter, We call the woodpecker the carpenter bird. Yeah. There's a lot of bird, my viewers. Lot of bird. Lot of bird, my viewers. Alright. I'm gonna show you a pond. I have a pond here. We need to go to the pond where the fish is to catch some fish to put in here. Alright, my viewers, this is the calabash tree. Do you know the calabash? I think it is calabash, but we call it calabash. I have to look. I have to look if any wasp is here. Alright, my viewers. This is a calabash. Seems like it is a young one. I'm gonna go underneath the tree. Whoa, birds. Going to go underneath the tree to show you a dry one. Yeah, this is a dry calabash. Very dry. That is the next one. Yeah, dry calabash. Whoa. This one big till it burst. And there's birds also in the tree. Yeah, and there is young calabash in the tree. Young calabash in the tree, my viewers. Yeah, man, you don't know, you know. It's all about it is my time. You know, I reached that goal with my channel. So, I have to upload a lot to get the rest of the channel up. Alright. This herbs here, this plant here, these plants here, yeah, man piaba. Ever hear about man piaba? This song, man piaba, woman piaba. Yeah, this is the man piaba. Alright, yeah, these are good herbs, you know. Alright, this is the pan. This pan here now, it grow fish very fast. The reason why, because this pan don't really keep fish in it all the time, because it dry very quick. Like if the rain is falling very often, it will take even 6 months to dry. But in that 6 month period, there is a lot of, if you put fish into it and it there for 6 months, they grow very big because there is no fish inside there. So, you know, there's a lot of feeding inside of the grassroot. As you can see, some pan coot inside there, pan bird. Alright, I have to get a camera to make a better zoom to show you those pan birds. Yeah, but as you can see, the pig them make this truck pass here. Yeah, go drink them water and the cow. Yeah, but I'm going to go to the other pan, get some young fish, throw inside here. Yeah, man. By 6 month times, yeah. Up and running, man. Up and running, alright. These pan and fridge and stoves and machine and lots of, you know, old things here. We use it to back around the pan when we was doing farming over here. You know what I mean? Because through the water is here. Yeah, we back it up for the animal them don't come in. But it's all about, it's kind of too big for us to back up anymore, so we have to stop. Right? Under here is very cool, and as you can see, there are some dogs under here. Yeah, dog is here, my viewers, dog is here. Here so the dog them sleep. Yeah, man, I hear so the dog them sleep because under here is very cool, as you can see. Yeah, all right. This was the okra farm I was telling you about. The whole okra farm. Yeah, as you can see, the side of the fence over there is very back up. Right back round. Right back round. But I moved some of those old fridges. Carry up the top. And as you can see, there is pure guava tree here. Guava tree. But guava is not in season right now. You might can find 1 and 2, but this is the guava tree. Give you a closer look on the leaves. Guava tree. And guava tree is a powerful herbs. 3 leaf to boil tea, make it quail, and to boil a cup of tea with it. Yeah, it's full of nourishment for the human body. Seeing? Yes, guava tree. All these are guava tree. Yeah, man, guava tree. Yes, my viewers. Can't find a guava yet. Only young guava is here. Yeah, because we're not in guava season. Yeah. Yeah. Just drink some Medina tea and it work through my body. All about through my body it go. Yeah, man, Medina tea. Medina tea is very good to drink, you know. Have a lot of properties for the human body also, but you don't drink it too often. Men don't drink it too often. Here's the next one named the Ram Goat National. We call it the Ram Goat National in Jamaica, but the right name for it is Ram Goat Dashalang. Yeah, I drink it on the Medina this morning for tea. Alright. Find two guava here, you know, my viewers, you know. I don't know how me I go do it, but me I go share it between me and you, alright? Alright. Yeah, me I go share it between me and you. So stick around, because I go share it, alright? Take the first bite and see if it's alright. Yes, my viewers. Mmm. 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 My God, I should have seen me mouth. I should have seen me mouth in the guava. Long time I don't eat a guava, you know. Right? Right here is the mud pit for the pigs them. As you can see, a lot of foot inside here. Yeah. The mud pit for the pigs. Right near against the pond. Yeah. As you can see, most of the guys them throw fish in there already, you know, but me want to throw some inside there and mark them face. That's when me catch them. You can know say, oh, me did catch a one here. So I mean I say, yeah man, that's how the thing set up, you know. That's how we do it here, you know. When the fish them grow up inside here, them grow so big, so quick. So when we go to catch now, we can say, yeah man, I me did throw this one in there, and see him there? Yeah man, the one they did, yeah, the mark the one on the side there, me didn't mark him. For real man. So the thing set up my people. Yeah man, in every little thing you have to have a little joke. What I'm telling you man, I chat about I ever stick on a deal with, you know. Check out the channel, me have a next channel, Laugh on Relationship TV. Yeah man, laugh your worries away. You know what I mean? Yeah man, this is the mud pit for the pigs. Yeah. There's a lot of guava around this side, lot of young guava, so you don't know. Yeah? Yeah man. Next month we have some big guava here. Can pick. So I'm gonna say, yes, my viewers. Yeah man. Yeah, my viewers, check out the channel, Laugh on Relationship TV. Yeah man, laugh all the words and real. Seems like I'm tapping on mud, you know. Tapping on some mud, my viewers. Tapping on some mud, my viewers. Yeah. Underneath here, very cool and very dry and trashy. Lots of leaves. Alright, my viewers. Alright. Now I'm going to take one more bite of the guava, but I'm going to do it on camera. Make the eye them see how sweet the guava is, alright? Stick and stay. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. When you make two bites, you know, you kind of squeeze a little to get the juice out. Whoa, magnificent. Alright. Try it, try it, try it. You bite it? Alright. Very nice, my viewers. We have the juice from the guava. Very nice. I don't swallow the seed. Throw the seed out, you know what I mean? Yeah. This is one of my favorite fruit. Alright. Stick around, see what's coming next. Yes, my viewers, a pear bird. Pear bird, my viewers. Bird, bird, bird. Them have nest, my viewers, cause they nah run. Them have nest, my viewers, they nah run. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers, they have nest, they nah run. When you see them nah run, so them have nest nearby. I look like a young one them. Seems like a the young one them, my viewers, the young one them. Yeah, I'm team. Nah fly far. I see that them one here still don't move on now. Whoa! Still don't move on now. Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, man, very tame. Very tame of yours. Very tame. Very tame of yours. Very tame. It is a feeding tree. It is a feeding tree of yours. See if I can zoom in to show you what's going on. It is a feeding tree. See those little, you see those little thing up here? Yeah, those little fruits on the limb, yeah? It's a feeding tree. That is the reason why they love it so much. And them not fly. Yeah? Even when I go underneath the tree, them not fly. Even when I hold the tree and shake it. Look here now. I'm going to hold the tree and shake it. Oh my god. Still inside there now. Yes, my viewers. Show you this one doing his thing. Yeah? Yeah? He's eating cherry. He's eating. Yeah? He's eating cherry up there. Yeah? Alright. I get a closer look of the fruits. This is the fruits, my viewers. Yeah, so they're ripe after a certain time. Here it is. Here it is. Whoa, I have lower one here. I have lower one here to the ground. I never see them. Yeah man, this is the fruit. So when them ripe, the birds them love it. Yeah. Yeah man. These are some of the trees that grow those little fruits. Yeah. This is some maca tree. We call it here white maca. Yeah. We call it here white maca. That's the reason why I'm walking. Take time walk. Me a take time walk. In Jamaican term, me a take time walk. Because this place having a whole of white maca here. As you can see. White maca. Yeah. One juke me here last week. Trust me. I have to get some remedy for it. You know what I mean? Birds! 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 Yeah, my viewers. Alright, my viewers, that is the bird town. That is bird town, alright? I'm going to give you the update of the bird town. You know, I see a little plant here, and I was wondering what type of plant is that? I don't remember the name of this plant, but I'm going to show you guys. This plant here, don't remember the name of it. It blossom look like this, and then after this is the seed and it blow off. Yeah, just like that. Don't remember the name of it. Anyone know the name of this plant here, just drop it in the comment box below. Yeah. Yeah man. Alright. Make a chat too. This is the pig lane. Call it so the pig lane because the pig them in the lane, so more birds. There are more birds here. Call them one here ground dove. Yeah man. One fly, the other one fly. Alright. Puppy pig still asleep. Puppy pig still asleep. And my friend them drink the amount of milk them belly full. Alright. And this is them pool. Them pool here so. Yeah? Where them swim and take care of themselves. Puppy, what going? Puppy, you alright? Papi? Papi saying good in the rest out. Alright, my viewers. It's all about bird. Jamaican farmers out, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright, this is Nestberry, but this is not really the original Nestberry. This is Sunberry. Yeah, there's a difference between Nestberry and Sunberry. Nestberry, yeah, when it's ripe, it eats very soft and nice and sweet. But the Sunberry, it is very grainy. When you get something like a Nestberry and you want to eat it and it's grainy, yeah, that is Sunberry. So this is it, Sunberry. Sunberry. This is the jackfruit tree. Yeah, picked two of them last week. Yeah, man. Yeah. That is the jackfruit. Me have a bird pepper. Bird pepper tree here. So I was watching it from when to see if it started to ripe. Bird pepper. Yeah. Very good. Very good bird pepper. Yeah. Put it in my freezer now. So like 3 months from now, I still have pepper. Yeah, my viewers. I don't have a pepper problem. Can still use pepper. 2 of the bird pepper when you're seasoning meat or fish or anything. Yeah, you're ready. Alright, green one leave on it. Yeah, man. Bird pepper. Very hot, you know. Very hot, my viewers. Okay, my viewers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Peace. My name is Ever Slick if you're new here. Alright? See you in the next video.